This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, January 11th, 2014. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. So at noon today we have a shortwave trough moving through the middle part of the country over the Mississippi River Valley. This will be kicking this storm system that brought a lot of freezing drizzle, a little bit of snow activity across the state yesterday. Off to our east with some rain, a little bit of thunder also, snow in the Great Lakes. Highs, though, behind the front won't be very cold, 20s to lower 30s across the area with mainly partly to mostly sunny skies, at least by the afternoon. Sunday will be very nice, partly to mostly sunny skies once again. Highs will be in the 30s to lower 40s across the state, maybe some mid-40s. Unfortunately, with this quick pattern, it's not going to last. Frontal system moves through Sunday night, and then Monday temperatures will drop back into the 20s for highs. Maybe a few locations in the northern counties may only see upper teens, with a little bit of a wind chills maybe in the single digits. Monday night into Tuesday, we could see a disturbance come in behind that front that could kick off maybe a flurry or a snow shower, maybe a dusting to maybe a half an inch at best with this system. And during the day, Tuesday into Wednesday, a warm front will start to move in, especially by Wednesday morning into early Wednesday afternoon. Again, most of the precipitation is going to be to the north of the state over Minnesota, but temperatures will start to warm, mainly in the 20s to low 30s. But then, unfortunately, with this quick pattern, Thursday, a frontal system comes through, and temperatures will likely be falling through the day Thursday. Some flurries are possible as well, but the winds will be the main story, probably 20 to 25 miles per hour and gusty. It'll be probably falling temperatures all day Thursday. Friday we'll see highs in the 20s, maybe some upper teens, a little bit of clouds in the northeastern counties with maybe a flurry or two, but nothing more than that. And then as we head into next weekend, next Saturday, you can see the polar vortex, as everybody is deeming and calling it, over northern Quebec into Labrador. And the flow still coming out of the north and west, but most of the storms are now aiming at the eastern Great Lakes in New England, as this one storm looks to do. And temperatures here will start to moderate, maybe back around 30 if this is right, with mainly dry skies, or dry conditions and sunny skies. Going into the extended period on January the 24th, we have kind of a split flow across the area. The subtropical jet over along the southern tier, the Arctic jet along the northern tier of the country, and we're kind of in the middle with seasonal temperatures and dry conditions once again. We have some rain over the Tennessee and Ohio Valley. Another storm slamming into the Pacific Northwest with some rain and mountain snow there, a little bit of snow in New England. Then at the end of the forecast on January the 26th, we have pretty much a somewhat zonal pattern across the country, the flow coming out of the west. A little bit of activity over New England into the Canadian Maritimes, also across the desert southwest with some rain and mountain snow there. A little bit of activity around here in the form of some light snow, nothing to get all excited about, but this could change in the next couple of days or so. Satellite image from last evening, you can see the storm pulling a little bit off to our east at this point, over the Great Lakes down to the Mississippi River Valley with some snow, rain, freezing drizzle, and a few thunderstorms in the south. Taking a look at the watch warning map from last evening, some winter weather issues in the Great Lakes, including an ice storm warning in northern lower Michigan, some freezing rain advisories in New England with some flood watches there as well, and a lot of wintry and windy issues in the north and west. A QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing most of the heaviest precipitation across the south and up the east coast, mainly with the system ongoing today, and a little bit over the north and west with little or nothing around here.